Hello and welcome. My name's Angie Holden and I'm the blogger behind The Country Chic Cottage. So today I thought we'd wrap up 2021 with my top 10 YouTube videos for the year. So you might find something in this video that you've never seen before or a favorite that you might want to rewatch. I would love it if you head to the comment section and tell me your personal favorite video if you've been around here for a while. I would love to see my fan favorites as well, even if your favorite didn't make the top 10 list. So as I'm going through these, if you want to see any of those, they're in the description below the video. If you are on a computer, click Show More to expand the description. If you're on mobile, you can click the arrow to expand the description, or you might have to swipe up on the video. So I thought we'd do this countdown style. Start with number 10, go to number 1. So what is my number 10 video for 2021? It is my beginner's guide to using your sublimation printer. So in this guide, I went through like how to use your sublimation printer, the software to use, sizing for templates, that type of thing. So if you're new to sublimation or think you might want to get into sublimation, that's definitely the video for you. Number 9 is my video on infusible ink mugs. So the mug press came out in 2021. Tons of buzz about that. And in this video, I made a ton of different mugs using infusible ink. So if you've ever wanted to like use your mug press, think you might want to buy a mug press, definitely the video to check out if you like infusible ink or want to start using it. My number 8 video is sublimation on dark colors and cotton. So sublimation is generally for polyester, but there are tips and tricks that you can use to sublimate on dark colors and cotton. So I took a bunch of those products, put them all on a shirt, put it to the test. Which product holds up the best? Which product should you use if you want to sublimate on dark colors and cotton? All the answers are in that video. Next up is my DIY photo mugs video. So this is definitely my most popular video on sublimation mugs. Everyone has really loved these mugs, including me. So you basically make a photo mug with your sublimation printer and have all the instructions on the video. So if you haven't made sublimation mugs yet, definitely check that out. The next video on my list is the video on the Maker 3. So it also launched in 2021, and this video is like the basics of the Maker 3. What's different? Should you upgrade? What do you get with the Maker 3? Everything you ever wanted to know about the Maker 3, basically. So if you're thinking about upgrading or wondering about that machine, that video is for you. And at number 5 is the video on the Cricut Mug Press. So this is the basics of the Cricut Mug Press. What is it? What does it do? What comes in the box? How do you set it up? All of those basic questions you might have about the Cricut Mug Press are all in that video. Number 4 is my Sublimation for Beginners guide, which includes a list of supplies that you'll need for sublimation. So this is a great video if you're getting started with sublimation. List the supplies you're gonna need, maybe some things you didn't think about, that type of thing. So definitely check that out if you're getting started with sublimation, or if you're thinking you might want to do sublimation in the future. That's a great place to look and see what kind of investment you're going to need to make with the other supplies that you need along with the sublimation printer. My number 3 video is my tumblers and the mug press video. So when the Cricut Mug Press came out, I was like, I don't want to just do mugs, I want to do tons of other things. What else can I do with my Cricut Mug Press? So I just had to find out. So I found a ton of other blanks that would work in the Cricut Mug Press, did a video about all of them, and everyone loved it. So if you have a Cricut Mug Press and you haven't seen that video, I highly recommend that you check it out. Pick up some of those blanks and start pushing your mug press to the limits. Number 2 video for the year is my Cricut for Dummies video. So this is basically my 1-hour crash course for the Cricut beginner. So if you're confused about your Cricut machine, confused about Cricut Design Space, your Cricut is still in the box, Cricut for Dummies video, definitely for you. 1 hour and just about everything you need to know about your Cricut machine. And my number 1 video for the year is my video about converting an Epson EcoTank printer into a sublimation printer. So this is definitely the most budget-friendly way to get into sublimation, and tons of people have watched this video and used it to convert their printer. So if you are thinking about getting into sublimation or have already purchased that EcoTank printer and are scared to put the sublimation ink inside, that is definitely the video to check out. So I hope you enjoyed these top 10 videos for 2021. Maybe a few of your favorites made the list, or maybe your favorite is something else. Either way, drop us a comment, let us know. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have tons of videos like the top 10 that you saw in this video, and you don't want to miss any of our future videos. So be sure to hit that subscribe button on YouTube, and I will see you next week with another great video. Thanks, y'all. Bye-bye.